Alright guys, we're going to talk about something that's going to be on the computer. That's going to be something that we can play. It's called BookFLIX. See, check it out. BookFLIX. A lot of us watch Netflix at home. It's the end, but this is BookFLIX, where it's kind of like Netflix, but for books. It's super rad. Now what we're going to do is this screen will pop up when you come over and flip up our laptop. And you're going to find a teacher. And when you find the teacher, they're going to type in the password that you guys shouldn't know, so you guys can't break in and steal things. So I'm going to type that in. So if you see that screen, don't freak out. Just come find a teacher. And then this will pop up. It'll say to start BookFLIX. So see this triangle right here. We're going to click that blue. And this will pop up. Now, whoa. There are all these different
and have some fun.
Different options that we can pick. I'm going to turn the sound down so you guys can hear me. Though you probably hear me too much. We have all these different choices. Say you want to learn about or read books about animals, about the earth, about people, places, adventures, ABCs, celebrations, using your imagination in books. We're going to click on this one. All of these you can just click. I'm moving the trackpad just like this. I know most of you guys know how to do this. So I'm just going to click on animals and natures. Now check this out. I'm scanning up. I'm using my fingers like this to go up and down. And now we can click on, they have all these books. Now I know that a lot of guys like dinosaurs. So we're going to go over here and you see the dinosaurs. Now I'm going to click on this book right here. It'll give me these two choices. I'll have dinosaur bones and I'll have dinosaur dig. So what you can do is you can click on this one. And if you see trees up here, that means it's like a video. You can watch it. So I'm going to click on this dinosaur bones. And we'll turn the sound back up. And if you want to make it big, go down here where this square is with the four corners. Click that. It'll take up the whole screen. Now you can just sit and you can read the book. And if you want to get out of that, go on the computer and hit the escape button, and it'll make it small again for us. And hit pause, and you can pause it. You know the pause. A lot of kids know the pause buttons, those two lines. So here, we can watch it, or we can read the book. I clicked this one right here. And here's that other book that was there. This is called Dinosaur Dig. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over here and move again, moving my finger on this, to this arrow, and click it. And then it'll take me to this book. Now I can click up here. It says read along. Has these, like the sound thing. So I'm going to click on that.
Where are we going?
And the book will read to you.
We packed our clothes. We packed our maps and cameras. We have hammers and paintbrushes. We even have dentist tools. Where are we going? We're going on a dinosaur dig.
Yeah, then it'll stop. And then you go click on this arrow over here and it'll turn the page.
We drive to a dig site. It is a place where paleontologists have found many dinosaur bone fossils. Fossils are the remains of
now,
living
if I want to pause this, I have to go to the bathroom.
Ago.
Here's that pause sign again with the two lines going down. I'm clicking, I'm going to pause it. Or if you want to go slower, you can hit the slow button and hit play.
Are the people who study fossils.
And it reads slower for you, so you can keep up. Or you can go faster. And hit this play button again.
We drive to a dig site.
Now, if you decide that you don't want to do dinosaurs anymore, go up here to the house button, click on it, and you're back at all these different categories.
Or click on the feature to begin.
Imagination.
And they have all these books. And remember, the ones with the trees on it are like videos you can watch. These other ones are ones that we can learn from. Pretty great. All All right, so this is called BookFLIX. This is what we can use here in class during choice time. Thanks.